guys, today I'm going to show you how to make slime. This is far by the easiest slime recipe that you can make. The first ingredient that you'll need to make slime is glue. You can use any glue, but today I'm using Elmer's glue. You can find glue in any of your local convenience stores. The next ingredient you'll need is borax, activator. You can make activator with any borax which you can find in your local convenience store. Then you also need to add 1 cup of warm water to 1 teaspoon of borax. Then, at first we add a little bit of activator, but then you can start to add more. And then we start mixing. If you want, you can also add some food dyes. I'm going to add a little bit of blue and red so we can make purple. Remember to only add a teensy bit. That should be more than enough. Then we can start mixing it into the slime. At first it looks messy, but then it'll start to come together. Then at this point we can start getting in with our hands, but it might be a bit messy. Remember, at first it's supposed to be messy. You can always add some more activator. Now you see that it's starting to thicken up. It's still at first, it's still a bit sticky, but then if you keep kneading it, it'll start to become not sticky at all. And now you can start to see that now it isn't sticking anymore. Then you can try to get the little bits at the edge so you don't waste any glue. And that's it, guys. Remember that it doesn't always go the same, so it might not have the same result as mine. But tell me how it went in the comments. Also, if you want, you can also add some glitter to it. But this is all optional. And that's it, guys. Tell me in the comments if you made it.